I am having a very odd symptom on my subwoofer. It is making quite a loud clicking noise, but it's kind of weird. But alright, 23 hertz. 23 hertz. Oops. No noise. Just the cooling. It's just, I mean, listen to that. Yeah, go up. Voice right down. Get down. You know, I don't know. I've looked all over. I don't see anything separated or broke. I unhooked one coil. Same. Unhook the other coil, same. I don't know. It's quite a noise though. I mean, it sounds like something's vibrating. Not exactly burned up, but I don't see any of the joints broken or anything. I did bottom it out pretty hard the other day, but just for a few seconds. An accident. But anybody's got any suggestions, I mean, I'd get a recone kit if I have to, but at least it doesn't sound like a burnt coil. I mean, again, maybe it is, I don't know. It's just, it's not the sound I usually hear with a burnt coil. I mean, I've never smelled it stinking. I pushed it pretty hard, but it's never smoked or stunk. Just got this noise and it gradually got worse. Now it's just almost unlistenable. And it doesn't make the noise. Yeah. Guess we got it there. Another odd thing is you apply slight pressure to the surround, goes away, but yet no noise. Any ideas?